Hope you had a good weekend. 5:38 on this Sunday. So a couple things. Number one, I guess it wasn't as windy technically if you look at the anemometers in East County and out into the gorge, but still the east wind was relentless. Troutdale, you folks had an east peak gust today of 35 miles per hour. PDX had the calmest day in a week with just a southeast gust at 17. And it was true that away from the gorge, the winds have pretty much faded, but that east gust, Troutdale, Gresham, probably the same to 30 miles per hour, maybe a little bit stronger at times. That's probably going to still continue with you on Monday. Crown Point out at the Vista House, by the way, still blowing to about 50 miles per hour. There's a cold front that I'm going to be talking about that comes in Tuesday. And I think there's a good chance that front is strong enough to shut down the east wind as it pushes through and turn the winds more back to the west. And then maybe, fingers crossed, you folks are done with the east wind, at least for the foreseeable future. Okay, we actually have a rain chance coming in overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. So here's the radar. You see a little bit being picked up in the Coast Range in Clatsop County and across the Columbia. The larger chunk of rain on the regional radar is up over BC and moving into the Puget Sound, it looks like. I'm going to scroll down the, it's close to a visible satellite picture. We'll call it the IR True daytime color. It's pretty good hocus pocus on the satellite imagery. But I want you to notice a couple things. Number one, Portland, beautiful day, right? We had partly cloudy skies, a little bit come in later today. You can see that. You can see the thick clouds offshore. That's what's coming in overnight tonight with a weakening frontal band. So the clouds may be enough or thick enough to produce some traces of rain tomorrow morning or during the day, and that would be about it. Or we may just see passing kind of mid-level cloudiness. The other thing I want you to notice is, see the white color there, it's not moving? That's low clouds from Hood River out through the Columbia Basin. That is keeping temperatures in the gorge very cold, and that helps set up a temperature gradient that keeps the east wind still blowing toward the valley and toward the coast where it's much warmer. So we need that cloud base to erode. Now that front coming in Tuesday will do that. And that is another reason why the winds should finally be shutting off as we go to Tuesday. I want to go ahead and show you, let's see here. Yeah, right here. So it's only 28 in Hood River. I mean, it's what, 44, I think, in Portland right now at 5 o'clock in the afternoon was the job. 28 in Hood River, 34 Cascade Lock. So again, as long as this is really cold, those east winds continue to blow. So I think that'll be the case on Monday. By the way, if you click these, like you can click the Crown Point right there, and that will give you the wind observations. I just did that, and the winds are still gusting at the Vista House up to about 54 miles per hour right now. Anyway, Tuesday is the next best shot of ending the east wind. So let's get you into the week. Real big shout out to Hazeldale Tire Pros. They're up here in my neighborhood in Hazeldale off of Highway 99. Really nice owner, local family owns a place, and great service technicians. If you live in Clark County, I'd really recommend them for all your tire needs. Okay, enough of that. Let's get you going. So we'll call it a light shower chance tomorrow. Maybe we get some traces of rain. Maybe it's just a passing mid-deck of clouds with some sun breaks. And the best chance of anything will be in the morning hours. And then Tuesday, it's a dry start, but in the afternoon or going into the afternoon, rain develops. And it looks like this is at least 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/4 of an inch of rain with that front coming in Tuesday. And then that's quickly it. It should be dry Wednesday. Could have some fog in the morning. It still looks like a mild Thanksgiving day. Could be some early fog, but generally a partly cloudy day with light winds, even in East County, fingers crossed, 56 degrees. There's a little system that brings us the chance of some rain showers Friday morning, maybe 1/10 of an inch. And then this is a change. Saturday now looks to me to be a day that's cloudy, certainly an ongoing chance of showers, but maybe much of the day is dry. That main front now doesn't come in until Sunday. So Sunday's your rainy day. Notice the temperatures, 44 to 49. In fact, we have warmer nights coming up. So once we get through tonight, I think for the most part, maybe Tuesday morning, there could be some spots in the valley get down to freezing. But after that, Wednesday on, no more freezing temps. And then this is a snow level Sunday down to 2,000 feet. And the following Monday, with active precipitation, the snow level gets down to 1,500 feet. So then we're going to get active again, at least for a little while. Okay, that's what I see. Looking forward. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy these videos, please tell your friends. My weather site behind you is portlandweather.com, and I'll talk to you soon.